And the most gorgeous Pooja Hegde. Welcome Pooja, thank you so much for being here. All right. तुमने बाकियों को माइक दिया था क्या आके? Chance पे ना. Anyway, Pooja, thank you so much for being here. And whatever we've seen.
My film, so. Yeah.
Of course.
Thank
Give it up
you
for
being here, though.
Of course. You know, thank you, Emma.
Sorry, I'm in Dia character.
I
right
know.
now, so.
I know. Talking about that,
Yeah.
you're playing a journalist, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे journalist बहुत भसड़ मचाते हैं. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that I have really explored this newfound respect for journalists because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Dia is the perfect takkar to Dave's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that he's being questioned about, which is the line which he's saying that police ya mafia is written by Dia because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Dia. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
The softer side is so kadak. तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक परफॉर्मेंस, फिर चाहे चार्मिंग हीरो वाली हो, रोमांटिक हीरो वाली हो, इंटेंसिटी या ड्रामेटिक वाली हो, दिस मैन हैज किल्ड इट एवरी सिंगल टाइम. एंड इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी का सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट सुपरस्टार ही इज. गिव इट अप फॉर शाहिद कपूर. शाहिद कपूर. आला रे आला, देवा आला. एंड क्या एनर्जी लेके आया है. शायद इट्स अ फुल हाउस. इट्स लाइक ऑलरेडी सब कुछ हाउसफुल हो चुका है. एंड दे ऑल आर हियर टू मीट यू एंड ऑफ कोर्स द एंटायर टीम. क्या बोलेंगे आफ्टर वी हैव सीन द ट्रेलर?
Well, this is 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because we will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I'm capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया, और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So rest is up to you.
Just one last thing. We do a quick picture and then of course we'll take the questions. लेकिन उससे पहले, talk to us about that intensity, because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant dancer. लेकिन how do you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चल रही थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
Actually, as an actor, आप हमेशा वेट करते हो कि आपको कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिलेगा. ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूंगा, होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर। लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन there is also a lot of presence and aura of this character. So you know there is also an overwhelming personality जो देवा की है, which gives him that charisma and that star quality. So it needed to be a combination of both those elements. And आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फायदा है, हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है, you know, आप लोग देखो, tell us what you feel, we've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face. Like, how? And even the first half, you know, where he's like giving his lines when I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's on the scene. But it was so eerie and like I think you're definitely gonna see a new Shahid because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense, and it's just amazing.
It's because Pooja, I am after.
See, I have a lot of questions, but before that, we'll do a quick picture with this team, right? So we'll do that, and then we'll take your questions.
देवा जरा साइड कर दो ना.